side, there is a place there where we are taking another bridge.
We were in Rubolumene, which is the starting point of the Trans-Kalabari ring road. From here, if you remember when we came to flag off this project, it's a project that will connect the Tombia people to the city. So we just came for inspection to see what is the progress of the job. I can say I'm not too impressed, but considering the terrain, it's not a normal, strong land where you just go clean the earth and just lay your asphalt. But I've told them I need more speed because this project is a very important project to me. As a matter of fact, I see it as one of my legacy projects. So it's important that I achieve it before we complete our tenure. Thank you.
Go to that junction, go can't cross it. That point, they'll go to the cement road. They'll see the marinas project. So this makes it easy for us to work. So the junction is there. No, but we would have entered from this other end. If we enter here, we'll go out from this road now and turn again at the roundabout. I wanted to enter from here, we'll stop there.
So we can cross from here?
They can't cross. Why? The junction is very bad.
Don't you enter Nigeria?
They say they're going to visit somebody.
We're going there.
Go, go, go. All right, go.
Not too big. What's it doing with 2.5 million? What are you doing with it?
Chairman,
Are they going to sign
City reinforcement.
So the draft will design it first.
Okay.
This place is donaldtrump.
I always part on it.
that side, there is a place there where we are taking another bridge.
Not too big. What's it doing with 2.5 million? What are you doing with it? Are they going to sell city reinforcement?
So the draft will design it for this place is donaldtrump.
Always part on you.